Hello, it's Chum Games, and in this episode we are going to fix a bug and also make some things work a little bit better. So yeah, let's get started. First thing that somebody on the Discord, actually few people, noticed that when we have pistol, when we reload with it, you can see the ammo doesn't update. And that's because I forgot to add the notify on the montage. So let's go to our first person blueprints folder and to the animations and pistol 1. Here, pistol 1, reload 1 montage. We have to add that anim notify to the where we want to the ammo to update. So yeah, I think it should be. I think it should be around there at 62 maybe. So let's go to the notify track and right click. Actually, sorry, not there. To the notify 1 track, add notify and montage notify. Okay. And so, where were we? My mother just called me, so I actually don't remember. Oh, we set the montage. Sorry, the notify. So now the reloading should update the ammo. So let's see. When we're playing, this is lagging so much again. Okay, let's try. Let's reload, and the ammo updates. Yeah, it was that easy. Okay, the next thing we want to do, I actually want to modify those sockets on the weapons. So let's go to our FPS weapon bundle. Weapons, meshes from here, and AR4, for example, let's open it, SKAR4. Okay, and let's click the skeleton. And the ADS socket is now at -12. Let's make all them -10, I think. Okay, and also the muzzle socket, we should move this a little bit further from there, because I have noticed that when we do some adjustments later, we will get some problems with this clipping through the what is this, barrel or something like that. Okay, so let's actually check what is this location here. It's around 60, so let's make it 65. Okay, like that. Let's save and actually close. Now the next weapon is KA wall. Let's choose the SKKA wall X skeleton. Actually, sorry, wall Y skeleton. So this one. And here also we have the ADS socket. Okay. I want to make the ADS socket also. Let's actually check that the rotation is the same. It should be, because these are from the same back. So yeah, let's make it -10 around there. Let's make it -10. Okay, let's save. And the next thing, what we want to do, the muzzle, let's also make it so it's 5 units away from this. So 65, let's make it around 70. So like that. Let's save and close. Let's go to the next one, KA47. So it's this SKKA47 skeleton. Let's open it. Let's see. So here the ADS is on 7.7. Let's make it -10. And we can adjust this later. I just want to make them all the same right now. Okay. I think we will have to adjust this a little bit, and also the one before, but let's see. And now the muzzle, let's also move it there, so it's around 0. It's around 0, okay. Let's make it 5. Okay, so now it's 5 units. Let's save, close. Let's go to the next one, which is KA74U. And here we have this SKKA74U Y skeleton. Let's open it. And the ADS socket, let's see. It's actually, this is using different axis. So it's using the X axis. So let's zero it out. Run there. Let's move it to -10. Okay, like that. And now the muzzle. Let's see where it is. It should be. So let's make it 5. Like that. Okay, let's save and close. And the next thing is the SMG11. Okay, here we used. You can always see what mesh you have used because the background has turned black. So we have used his. We have not used his. If I click this and I close it, you can see it turns black. But when you have never opened them, they will have the ground background, gray background. Sorry. So we use that one. So SKSMG11 no stock Y skeleton. Let's open it. And here I know that we have to make the ADS location a little bit different. Let's see. So we cannot make it -10. It will not look good. So let's make it -20, I think. Maybe actually even more. Let's actually try. Do we have the weapon here? So let's see. What's the number here? 7. I think the number is 6 for the... Yeah, it's actually here. So let's see. Now we have adjusted to 20 something. Okay, it's too close. So let's make it -25. Actually, I think that's too close also. So I think for the pistols and stuff like that, it should be not this close. So let's make it -30. I think now it looks pretty good. So this is like this, and okay, yeah, now it's pretty nice. Okay, so that's that. Now we have to adjust the muzzle. So let's check the. This is at 19.5, so let's make it 24.5, something like that. Let's save and close. Now we have still few weapons. They are on the different military weapon dark pack. So let's go to here and to the weapons. And we are using the shotgun B, for example. Let's check that. Shotgun B skeleton. And ADS. Let's see, ADS is... Okay, this is using the X-axis, so let's make that -10. I actually think that's too much. Let's make it... Yeah, let's try it, -10. Let's try. Save. And let's change this to... What was our shotgun's number? I think it was 5. Let's see. No, it was not. It was 4. Yeah, let's see. So now 1v2 ADS. Okay, I think that's actually pretty nice. So yeah, that's good. Now the muzzle, let's make it 5 units from this. So this is 61. Let's make it 66 and a little bit lower. Okay, like that. Let's save. And now let's go to the pistol. Where can I find it? So pistol B here and here, pistol B skeleton. So this socket, ADS socket, I think it should be like, it's -30 now. I think actually that -30 is pretty nice for this. Let's leave it there. Let's actually try first. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, and also the muzzle socket. Let's see. So 25, let's make it 30. Okay, it's pretty nice. Let's save and close. And now you can, of course, try all these weapons. So let's first try, for example, the 7, so KA-74U. I think this is too far. Actually, it's pretty nice. Let's try the number 3, so AK-47 or 74 or whatever. Let's try. Okay, I think this might be a little bit too far, but I'm not actually sure. Yeah, maybe we can actually leave it like this. Nah, no, let's make it a little bit closer. So let's go back here and KA-47. KA-47X skeleton. Actually, it's not the X1. It's the what KA47 skeleton. Okay, let's make the ADS socket a little bit closer. So let's make it -5. Okay, that's better. Now also the AR4. I think we actually let's try. We don't have it on the map. Sorry about that. Let's change this number to weapon index to 2. And now we should have it there. I actually think this is actually pretty nice. Okay, let's leave it as that. And what was the weapon that was? Oh, it was the number 6. So, that's number 6. Number 4. 5, sorry, 5. So it's the SKA wall. Let's see. I think this is too far also. Yeah, a little bit too far. Let's make it KA wall, SKKA wall, Y skeleton. Let's make this ADS socket also -5. Okay. Save and close. And now, one more thing that I want to do. So now, when we... Okay, this is annoying that it is lagging so much. Okay. So, I think I want to make the recoil animation a little bit better, because with these animations it doesn't look that good anymore. So it's like this. Let's actually adjust it a little bit. So let's actually go to the content, first person blueprints, and PP first person character. Let's open it. And now we want to find our recoil function, which should be here. Now we want to open the set recoil variables from here. Okay, and here we actually want to, we have this recoil amount multiplied by 1.5. Let's delete all that. And now let's promote this value to a variable. Let's align it and let's move this to there. Okay, and this variable, let's call it, for example, rotation rot multiplier. Okay, compile and save. And one more thing, see if here is the pullback amount. Okay, that can be like that. So now what we want to do, we want to go to the weapon struct and we want to add a new variable. Let's actually call it also the rot multiplier. Okay, and let's move it. Let's click from here, from the dots, or where we can see those, I don't know how many, like 8 or 10 little dots there. Let's click from there and move to the under the recoil length. Sorry, under the, yeah, here under the recoil length. So between the pullback amount and the recoil length. Okay, let's save and let's go to the default values. And let's make the rot multiplier. Oh, it's actually, we have to change the type. So let's change it to float, like that. Now let's change the rot multiplier to like, I think 1 is good. Okay, 1 is, I think that's okay. Let's save. Now we can close this and let's go to the weapon data table. And for the pistol, I actually want to change the amount a little bit higher. So I want to change the rot multiplier to 3 and the pullback amount to 0. Because after, I will show you. Let's go to the PP first person character now. And we actually want to go to the set weapon stats. So the first function here, let's open it. And we want to get from here, so weapon data rotation multiplier, let's get from here. Actually, we want to get the last variable because we already created that rot multiplier like this. Let's set it here at the end of the first row, maybe. or wherever you want to put it. And let's get from there and connect to the weapon data rot multiplier, like that. Okay, and now we want to click from the category and we want to set it to weapon stats. Okay, let's actually move it to the correct position on the weapon stats folder. So rot multiplier is here, so let's move it to the over the pullback amount. So recoil length, rot multiplier, pullback amount, like that. So now actually when we are setting here all these, the rot multiplier is the variable that's making the weapon to like rotate, and the pullback amount is variable that makes the weapon to move to the camera, like that. Okay, so now we can adjust the recoil animation a lot better for every weapon. So let's see how it looks. So for the pistol, you can see the pistol has a lot more kick. Like that. Yeah. So I will actually show you guys how it looks. So rot multiplier, let's make it like 5. And let's see how the weapon recoil looks. Like this. And if we set it to 0 and this pullback amount to 5, you can see it looks completely different. So you can actually adjust these values as you like. So I will make this rot multiplier 3 and this recoil pullback amount, I will make it 0 because the rotation already has some like pullback. But for some weapons where you don't want to put so much like rotation, you can just leave it at 0 or 0.5 or whatever. But also I want to change to this SMG, which is basically Uchi. Let's make it rot multiplier like 1.5 or something like that. Let's actually see how it looks. Take it from the wall and... Okay, now we have a lot more room for adjustment on the weapons. Let's actually try some other weapon. So, for example, this. Let's see. So now you can make them look how you want. Okay. And the next thing we want to do in this video is actually the last one. And this is because now we have the new animations, and as you can see here, the pistol is, or the hands are pretty high on the screen. I made these animations so you can actually adjust the height. So how you can adjust this is by hand mesh, and this base value is -70 here, and we can actually make it even higher by like -73. Sorry, -168. Now you can see it's even higher. Yeah, I think this is the max height that you can use without the animations looking weird. Okay, and also you can move it downwards to -173. I think this is around the max where the animations still look pretty good, but you can try these values. Now the weapon is much lower. Okay, and also you can move it this value you don't want to touch. You can move it this more backward, like -10 if you want, but you don't have to. I think -5 is like the best. But don't move it closer, like to the 0 and stuff like that. It will, some animations will look weird. Okay, but this Y, you can also adjust this. So if you make 5 here, now you can see the weapon is much more at the corner there. So you can adjust these values to fit your needs. Okay, so you can make it look however you want. But for me, the base -70 and 0 on here, sorry, -170. Okay, this is the best value for me. I like that the most. But yeah, you can adjust them however you want. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. Sorry, this was a little bit slow, because I don't know, I have been working many hours today and stuff like that, so I don't have that much energy left. So yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.